I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon in the upper 50s to the mid 60s, central and eastern Nebraska may see light rain tonight, but mainly this evening as low pressure moves across Kansas. Any rain amounts should range from a trace to a tenth of an inch. Lingering clouds keep most of our highs at seasonal levels tomorrow in the upper 40s to the mid 50s, but southwest Nebraska and northwest Kansas top out at around 60. Between systems, highs Wednesday warm into the upper 50s to the mid 60s before a slight drop to the mid 50s to the low 60s on Thursday. A slightly better chance of rain is Thursday through Friday night. Higher chances favor Thursday night into Friday and over northern Kansas. Rain amounts are likely to range a tenth to a half inch. Snow with no accumulations may mix in for Friday morning. Highs bottom out in the mid to upper 40s on Friday. Weekend highs bounce back into the mid 50s to around 60. Long-term forecast is trending cooler. Nebraska and Kansas temperatures are still projected to be slightly warmer than normal this weekend through early next week before more seasonal or near normal temperatures take hold the middle of next week through the end of the month. By the last day of November, central Nebraska daytime highs are typically in the low 40s with overnight lows on average around 20. Above normal precipitation continues to be predicted for Nebraska and Kansas this weekend through November 30th. The higher chances are over the Panhandle this weekend through early next week, and in southern Kansas the middle of next week through November 30th. Key weather factors impacting the markets include weather turning more active in the U.S., low water levels on the Mississippi River, and rain increasing for central Brazil. Storminess moving east to the Rockies moves quickly and produces only light precipitation. Unsettled weather that persists in parts of the west spreads into the southwest by the midweek. During the mid to late week, heavy rain may develop from the central and southern plains into the mid-south and lower Midwest, with 1 to 3 inch totals possible by late Friday. For the plains and Midwest, the increasing rain benefits winter wheat for locations in drought. Mostly dry weather prevails the next 5 days in portions of the northern plains and upper Midwest. Something to watch. A big burst of cold air moves into the western U.S. next week and is expected to spread eastward over the Thanksgiving weekend. On the Mississippi River, low levels causing restrictions for transportation are unlikely to greatly improve, but the more active weather could lead to increasing water levels this winter. In Brazil, heavy rain this past weekend over the south builds into the central the middle of this week and may build back into the south later this week and weekend. Decreasing chances of significant rain in southern Brazil that move up from Argentina could be the start of worsening conditions for corn and soybeans during the main growing season of next month. Across Argentina, widespread and mostly heavy rain this past weekend could be the last of the widespread rain for a while. Patchy rain later this week and next week in Argentina may result in soil conditions that are currently favorable, slowly declining over the next few weeks. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.